Good morning, everybody. It's Jamie with Jamie's Realistic Life. Welcome or welcome back. Thank you to all the new subscribers that has joined. That really means a lot to me. So today what I have is $45, and I'm going to go through and see if I can't condense some of these smaller ones and some of the smaller bills into the bigger bills. So guys, we are in a dilemma here. We're a month ahead, and I've been working on the personal savings for the debt. We have got to get panels for the doghouse, and no matter how much I try to save, I'm afraid that we might have to let's see what we can do. I'm afraid we might have to pull a little bit of money to get them because the dogs need a new pen. I didn't mean to say doghouse. If I said doghouse, sorry. My brain is going like 900,000 miles a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll just put this 5 here. But I may have to pull some of this just to get the panels, but I'll be putting it back in. I'm not for sure yet. Me and my husband's been discussing back and forth, but you know, my dogs really do need a new kennel, and I need some advice. So should we just keep saving and let the dogs stay in the current pen that they're in, or should we just dip into this and get them a new one? So y'all give me the idea of what to do, because me and my husband's been going back and forth. Like I said, we just don't know what we're going to do. And yesterday we was at the balming temperature of 65 degrees. It slowly dropped, and now we woke up to snow this morning, which has finally stopped. No accumulations, but Mother Nature is having a meltdown or something. So if you guys wouldn't mind, just give me an idea. What did I just do? Okay, this comes back into here. Okay, so my brain is not working. Excuse me for being a little rumbly here. Let's see how many 5s we can pull out of this one. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. I could take all the 5s and put the 40 in. Let's just do that. Let's just take all the 5s and put the 40 in over here. So that is what we have been trying to decide on. 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. 50, 60, 70, 80, 95, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 1, 2, 3. Yep, that's correct. 583. Let me just change this back around. So, well, that was a short condensing, wasn't it, y'all? So what I'm going to do with this that we just pulled out of here, because we did have take it out of one and put it into the other, because the $45, guys, is savings, my personal savings, and that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get this built up because I wanted to do the debt snowball and get it paid off, just to try to get a little bit more money freed up during the month. Because if you saw my next to the last video, I showed you my debt and the payment amount that we've got each month just in our debt, and I really want to try to get it paid off. So I'm starting the snowball effect, going with the smallest and then up to the largest, and just take that money and just keep adding it to the other ones. So that is what I'm going to do with this right here. And I've been just like throwing a little bit of money here and there, and then I'll do this little challenge. Actually, last night I did put a 20 in. I had sewed some flower starters. So, you know, people who are around, you know, my neighborhood that don't want to grow from seeds. I've been growing mine from seeds, and once they get so tall, the neighbors are buying them. So that's just like a little side hustle for me to be able to afford the chicken feed and stuff like that, to be able to, you know, get my homestead started. Little side hustles never hurt anybody. So what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to just see how far I can get. I may just roll a few times, but we're trying. And I'm going to write this down so I will know at the end how much to put in. So how many do I got left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll see what we can do. And where did my dice go? Oh, there it is. So we'll just write this down and see what we got. We have a 3. We have a 2. We have another 3. Another 3. Boy, 3 must be the number today. We have a 5. I'm going to call that a 6. A 6. And a 5. Alright, let's see how much we have to put in here. I'll be right back. I'm over here at the calculator. I got an old-timey Casio plug-in calculator. I've had this thing for multiple years. Many years, I should say. So it'll be $27. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27. This money right here will go into my little savings pouch over here that I use to do my little savings challenges with and stuff. So we will take this and we'll count and see how much we got in here now. So in the personal savings for the snowball debt, we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. We have $137, which this one would pay off the first one, which is, I think it's $114. Let's see. Let's just double make sure here. So, yep, my balance is $114.99. I can take that one, put it in, and pay that one off. And then we would drop the $57.49 and put it down here and add it to the credit one, which is $84.13, and get the next payment would add, so 84 and 57, 84.13 plus 57.49 equals, that would be $141 that I could add to that, and that would almost get this one paid off quicker. So yeah, that's snowball effect will work, but we'll see. Because like I said, I'm in a dilemma about the dog lot. They need a better kennel, and I just, you know, my animals are my babies, and I want them to have the best So guys, just let me know what you think I should do. Should we pull some of this money and just go ahead and get their kennel and replenish, start back over, or what? I don't want to do heads or tails because I always lose. Anyway, guys, thanks for hanging out with me. And just in the bottom in the comment, tell me what to do. New kennel or keep saving. So with that said, guys, y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.